In this video, I'm going to show you how to get viral topics or video ideas to create in your niche. So if you are struggling with how to get topics that will go viral in your niche, watch this video. This video will help you. This works for any kind of niche: finance, story, health, any kind of niche at all, business, whatever niche you want to create a video on, and you're looking for a topic that will go viral, that people are watching or that people like. I'm going to show you what to do and how to get viral topics. Remember, this is for educational purposes, and this works both with your computer and with your phone. So what you need to do is go to your YouTube, having known your niche, locate top competitors in your niche, people who are already in your niche and they are doing well. So let's say I want to create motivational stories. Remember, this works for any kind of niche. I'm just using this as an example. I want to create motivational stories, and I'm going to use this channel. So once you come to their videos, you come to their latest videos, you can go through the latest video titles of your competitor and create similar videos in regards to that title. You can as well come to their popular videos. These are videos that are doing well on the platform, and look at their titles and create similar video to this title. So to get similar titles, you can either use your initiative or you use ChatGPT. And how can you use ChatGPT? All you need to do is copy out their titles in your phone or in your computer. Copy it into a notepad. These are 8 titles. I just got 8 titles from this particular channel. These are 8 popular titles. Then you take this title and go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you 5, 10, 20 viral topics similar to these titles. Let's do that quickly. I'm going to say, give me 10 more viral ideas or topics similar to these titles. So I'm going to copy all of it, and I'll head over to ChatGPT and I'll ask ChatGPT to give me 10 more viral titles similar to this one, and let's see what it will give me. ChatGPT has given us 10 viral motivational story titles. These titles will go viral. All you need to do is to start creating videos on it. You can use your initiative to write your script, or you can ask ChatGPT to write script for you. But the purpose of this video is for getting ideas, topics or titles for your video. With this method, you will not run out of title or the kind of video you want to create. It's simple. Just look at what your competitors are doing and replicate it. Look at their latest videos, look at their popular videos, compare about 3 to 5 competitors in your niche, and look at their videos, the titles of their videos, and recreate it. And when you compare about 3 to 5, you will see that their titles are almost similar. So all you need to do is to go and create your own. If they are talking about finance, personal budgeting, you will see that 1, 2, 3 channels are talking about personal budgeting. Nothing stops you from doing that as well. As long as you are original, it is your own script. You are not doing copy and paste. So if you are stuck in getting video ideas, titles, topics for your niche, no matter any niche at all, just go to your competitors, look at what they are doing, and get inspiration from their popular videos and latest videos. Or you can ask ChatGPT to give you topics or titles for your niche. Copy the titles of your competitors and ask ChatGPT to give you similar titles that will go viral, and you will have titles that you can create videos on. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and drop a comment.